In this video, I'll show you how to get a Cash App card without having a social security number or ID. A lot of people want the Cash App card because it works like a regular debit card that connects directly to your Cash App balance, so you can use it in stores, online, and even at ATMs. But here's the part most people don't realize. Cash App requires full identity verification before they will send you the card, and that verification process is mandatory. When you try to order a Cash App card, the app will ask for your full legal name, your date of birth, your mailing address, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is part of Cash App's security rules and government regulations. So what does that mean if you don't have an SSN or any government-issued ID? Unfortunately, without verification, you cannot order or activate a Cash App card. The system simply won't approve it. You can still use Cash App without verification, but only with strict limits. On an unverified account, you can send or receive a maximum of $1,000 within a 30-day period, and your balance cannot go above $1,500. Unverified accounts also lose access to important features like ATM withdrawals, Cash App boosts, and the investing tools for stocks and Bitcoin. All of these features, including getting the actual Cash App debit card, require a verified identity. So the bottom line is simple. Without a social security number or a valid government ID, you can still use Cash App for basic sending and receiving, but you will not be able to get the Cash App card. If you eventually get access to the required documents, you can complete the identity verification inside the app, and then order the card instantly.